Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gate की पढ़ाई. My name is Munun and today I am here to share my interview experience for MS plus PhD in electrical department of IT Guwahati. So first of all, see what was the shortlisting criteria. This time interview was completely online and the shortlisting criteria for a general candidate was the BTech percentage should be 70% with a gate score of greater than 500, and for a OBC student it should have a BTech percentage of 70 with a gate score of 450, and for a SC/ST student he must qualify the gate examination. I have applied for communication department. Basically my preference was signal processing, information theory and coding, and wireless communication. So the questions which were asked during my interview was relating to communication and signal. So let us see the questions. My first question was, in the constellation diagram, if the number of symbols are increased keeping average energy same, then what is the effect on bit error rate? You need to completely justify them, that whether you use a formula or with a diagram, that how do you prove that what will be the effect on bit error rate if the number of symbols are increased. Next they ask, for a linear causal system, prove mathematically that the impulse response of the system ht is 0 for t less than 0. Means you need to tell them the condition for causality and you need to derive it. Next they ask the autocorrelation of a complex signal. Remember friends, they are asking the autocorrelation of complex signal, not for real signal. Next they ask the proof for autocorrelation that rxx0 should be greater or equal to rxx tau, that too with the help of an integration, not with expectation. Next they ask me to tell the practical example of Bayes theorem. Remember one thing, you need to explain first of all the Bayes theorem, then you need to tell the example. Next they ask what is a total probability theorem. In this you need to derive the expression for a total probability, that how the expression comes, and you need to explain them that sir what is a total probability theorem. See, all these things can be found in your SHORM series books of communication. Next they ask me that what is a random variable and can we assign a real value to a random variable. Means they wanted to ask that whether can we apply a negative value to a random variable or not. Next they ask the difference between a linear convolution and circular convolution. Basically they wanted to ask me that what do I understand with a linear convolution, where I do apply it, why there is a use of it, and similarly for circular convolution they ask the same thing. Next they ask me that what is AWGN in communication. Means in this you need to tell them that this is additive white Gaussian noise. Then you need to explain each and every term why we have given this. And according to this they ask me that why the noise is Gaussian in AWGN, why there cannot be another noise, means some different noise, why only Gaussian noise. So these were the questions which were asked during my interview. There were total 12 faculty members in the seminar hall and they were asking the question one by them. So my suggestion for the future students are that they should prepare the subject thoroughly with proofs, with diagrams, and with each and every conceptual thing, because this interview was totally conceptual and you should have a good command on your subjects. Thank you.